outside.
Can you open it outside?
Where'd you get that? Where did you get it?
Chuck E. Cheese.
Who gave it to you?
Chuck E. Cheese.
Okay, wait till it cools off because we're all going to go outside.
No.
We're all going to go outside and then you can do it. We'll keep it right here. We're all going to go.
We survive. I go around a time or two just to waste my time with you.